Welcome to Kathy's Eclectic Garden. I'm Kathy and I garden in zones 5B, 6A in Northwest Ohio. Today I want to talk a little bit about my micro prairie garden. This is a cosmos. I did not plant this cosmos here. It came up here by itself. It's outside of my micro prairie garden. I also want to mention that micro prairie gardens are also called pocket prairie gardens. So if you hear somebody talking about a pocket prairie garden, it's the same thing. It's just a little prairie garden. My cosmos and my zinnias and my New England asters are about the only things still blooming in my garden. It is the last one to be in full bloom and it's beautiful. This is my micro prairie garden that was started last year. It has cosmos and zinnias and tick seed in it. I just bring seeds out, annual seeds, and just throw them out here. There's no planting to this garden. It just comes up where it comes up. I also have zinnias and red sage and borage that comes up wild over here. Here along the north edge of the micro prairie garden is a plant called blue and breezy flax. I started sowing this indoors and then planted it outdoors. Plants got about 6 inches high, maybe. Not even, yeah, about 6 inches. It has grown profusely. In fact, I split it and took some of it up into another garden because I love it so much. It blooms its heart out. It's just covered in blooms. And here's a video of it was taken in the summer, early June actually. Happens to die, I will plant some more because I absolutely love it because it's so prolific. It's beautiful. Just one more thing I want to show you, and that's this scarlet sage that planted itself in my prairie garden. This is one I really like. I hope it keeps coming back. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.